nail supply haul. I have received lots of packages lately, and I recorded everything previously, but this one I just received today, and I thought it'd be fun to open it and film while I'm opening the package. So that's what I'm going to do. I have no idea what it is because I've ordered so many things on Black Friday, and I supposedly have so many things at the post office. I don't know why they're taking so long to bring it. They're supposed to bring it to my house, but I don't know. So I was excited when the mail guy rung the bell. I was like, hey, I have some stuff for you. Finally, something came. I've been waiting for so many things. Oh, okay, I know exactly what this is now. So, I've seen like a bunch of people, I think on YouTube, that have like really cute dapping dishes, and mine is really tiny. Oh, I can't get this open. So I thought, okay, I want a really cute dapping dish too, because mine is tiny. And I found one on Amazon. Oh, this is really well packaged. And I thought, ooh, but it was like 14 euros or something. Well, I don't know. It was really expensive. So I took a screenshot of it, which is what I've been doing a lot recently. And I looked it up on Aliexpress, and this only cost me 3 euros, like with shipping and everything. And it's so beautiful. I love it. I'm so excited. Like, it's not too wide, it's not too big. And like, as you see here, you can put your brushes to rest, like, look at that. So like when you're not using them, you just rest it. Put your monomer in here if you do acrylics. This is what I wanted it for, as a dapping dish. And yeah, look how pretty it is. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I've been to a few stores here where I live, but I couldn't find anything similar. So this is what, like, this is the size I was looking for. And plus, like, 3 euros. I mean, come on. So cheap. So if you're looking for a dapping dish, I don't like the little ones. Like in the beginning, maybe if you're starting, yeah, it's okay. But I mean, now that I've been doing nails, I just feel like, I don't know, it's so tiny, and then like you don't have anywhere to rest your brush, like while you want to do something else or whatever, you don't have anywhere to rest your brush. So I just thought, oh my god, this is so cute, because you can rest your brush, you can use it for the monomer, and yeah. So if you like it, I'll leave the link in the description, and yeah, let me know what you think. It's multicolored. I don't know if you can tell there. And it's a pretty good size. Like, it's not that small. I thought it was gonna be smaller actually. It's pretty big. So yeah, I'm just gonna add the rest of the other video that I made previously for the nail supplies, and I hope you enjoy. And please leave me your comments in the comment section. Bye!
So guys, here I'm just going to show you a few things that I got off of eBay. These are like shell pieces, I guess you would call it. In Spanish they call it, I think, nácar. So you can use these to encapsulate inside of the nails. They have different colors. It came like in a set. And I really don't remember the price. If you're interested, I can leave you the link to this product from eBay. I know it was really cheap, but I've ordered so many things that I can't even remember. Look at this purple color. Oh my god, that's beautiful for winter maybe nails. And this turquoise teal color. Oh my god. I love them so much because they look so pretty. I already did a set with them, that's why one is missing. And I love how they turn out. Like, they look so pretty. So here's a package I just received from Aliexpress. It's a chrome, the white chrome powder, like pearl powder that I used on my nails in a recent video. And that was really cheap too. I don't really remember the price though. If you want the link, just let me know. I'll leave it in the description. And it came really full, which surprised me. Like, normally when you get stuff from AliExpress, the product is like half empty or like barely anything there, and this was really full. I was pleasantly surprised with that. Look how beautiful. Unicorn chrome. Oh my god, I love it. Well, I call it unicorn, but it's really, I guess, pearl chrome. And this is some nail glue that I got. I think it's from the same seller. So yeah, 2 of them with a brush, just like for when I use tips. This was pretty cheap too. And I just got it to try it out because it's kind of hard where I live to find nail glue, and if you find it, you get a ridiculous amount for a really expensive price. Okay, so now this I just got as well from a seller in Spain, I think it was. It only took like 5 days or a week to ship. And I got all these drill bits, and I've already tried one of them, the green one, the one with the green band, which is supposed to be coarse, and the little cuticle bits, and I'm very happy with these bits. I'm going to order more because bits are really expensive, so these were a good buy from AliExpress. Now I'm just showing you some glitters that I got from a local store, and I'll be doing a video on that soon, I hope, because I've seen that you can use like makeup glitters to mix with your acrylic, and since like they have to be makeup glitters, because if not, I think they say like the colors would like just bleed or something. So these are makeup glitters, and I'm gonna try mixing it with acrylic and trying to do my nails with them. I want to do a video on that, or maybe someone else's nails, but we'll see. Anyways, this is a sprayer bottle that I got, so I can disinfect my clients when they come to disinfect their hands. I'm just gonna put some sanitizer in there. And I really love these pastel colors. They were so beautiful. I've already used not this blue, but there's the name of that one, Bondi Blue. I've already used this purpley color in a set that I did recently, and it's so pretty. I love this purple. That one's lavender. And these gels, like, they're very pigmented and very, like, they're not thin, they're very thick. I like the consistency. This is a pastel yellow, it's called, and I think they're really good for the price. Like, they sell them here locally at my local store, but you can find them online as well if you want to take a look. It's Gel Elixir, the name. These are just some files that I got from my local store, and that's gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for your support. Muchísimas gracias por ver el video. Ciao.